Hello guys, welcome back to Analyst Adda. So we have already discussed some of the methods related to string. So in this class we will discuss the more methods, and we have already discussed the caret method, concat method, length method, is empty, equals method, equals ignore case method, to lower case method, and the to uppercase method. So जिसने ये वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं कि कैसे हम इनको यूज करते हैं स्ट्रिंग में इन मेथड्स को, तो वो पुराना जो वीडियो है ओल्ड वीडियो पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 1 उनको आप ज़रूर देखिए। आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाएगी, आप प्रोग्राम में कैसे यूज करना है वो आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी। ओके, तो हम आज जो डिस्कस करेंगे वो मेथड है इंडेक्स ऑफ। ओके, ये जितने भी मेथड्स मैं आपसे डिस्कस कर रही हूँ सब इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं और प्रोग्राम में हम कहीं ना कहीं हम यूज कर रहे हैं। ओके, तो इंडेक्स ऑफ के बहुत सारे केसेस हैं, तो मैं उन सारे केसेस को वन बाय वन डिस्कस करूंगी और इंडेक्स ऑफ से रिलेटेड जितनी भी मेथड्स होंगे उनको भी डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम जानते हैं कि इंडेक्स ऑफ होता क्या है, राइट? मतलब इंडेक्स ऑफ का क्या मीन है। तो बेसिकली इंडेक्स ऑफ को यूज किया था टू फाइंड द पोजीशन ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर और सब स्ट्रिंग, राइट, in our program, in a string. So index of basically to find the position of a character or substring where it returns an int value, and if suppose if the value is not present in the string, then we will get the -1 value. So this is the definition, I can say, the index of, and the use, how to use the index of, and one by one we will discuss in examples कि कैसे कैसे हम उसको यूज करेंगे अपने प्रोग्राम में। तो सबसे पहला मैं आपको लेके चल रही हूँ इंडेक्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर। ओके, तो इसके इंडेक्स ऑफ कैर कैर इट मीन्स, नाम से समझ आ रहा है, कैर मतलब कैरेक्टर हमको यहाँ पे पास करना है इसको। तो ये बेसिकली क्या है इंडेक्स ऑफ का, जैसे मैंने बताया कि सब फाइंड लोकेशन है, तो ये भी लोकेशन ही फाइंड करने हैं हमको, बट हमने क्या पास किया है, कैरेक्टर। तो इंडेक्स ऑफ मेथड टू फाइंड द फर्स्ट अक्रेंस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वॉट एवर कैरेक्टर वी आर पासिंग हियर। ओके, देन वी विल गेट द आउटपुट in a character, in a int value. Okay, suppose we are using the character char, it will return first match. If suppose we have the a lot of character with the same a m r, then we it returns only first match. Okay, so okay, we will check here in this example this index of, okay, s dot index of, give me one second, s dot, you can see here index of, these are the example, index of in character, right, string, character, and the int from index. These are the different variations of index of. So first we will discuss this one, character. So it will return the int value. Here you can see also return the index within this string of the first occurrence of the specified character. If a character with value ch occurs in the character sequence represented by this string object, then the index in Unicode code units of the first such occurrence is returned. I have already told you it will return the first occurrence value. Okay, just click on and put the value a, suppose. Okay, give me one second. So this is the important thing, we need to the inverted comma. If we pass any of the character value, character, we need to quote within the comma, right? And just save and run as Java application. You can see here we will get the 0 index. You can see here the first occurrence, it will return the first occurrence. So once we check the on the first 0 index value is the a. If suppose I will put here the d, okay, then it will return the 8th index. Okay, we will check here if this output is correct or not. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? So we have 2D, 2 character on the 8th index and the 9th index. So we are getting the output from the 8th index because it returns the first occurrence. Okay, the next is index of char comma from index. It means we need to pass here the character value, here character, whatever character we need to pass here, we need to pass here, and here from index it means the, suppose you want to search the character of the any of the character, but from where we need to start. So we need to pass here the index value. Okay, suppose we don't want to, in our program we don't want to start from the 0 index. We need value from the 4th index or 5th index or any of the index according to us requirement. So this is the case where we need to pass the character here, and here we need to pass the starting from index instead of the beginning. Okay, so here I'm just checking. Here we will check within the examples dot index of which one, this, right? Int char int from index. We need to pass two value from the first the index character value, right? Character value, or second is the index number. Suppose if I pass the a, and here I am passing the 4. We need to put in the code value, okay, inverted comma. So suppose, what does it means? I need the a value, right? A. In this string we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 a character, but according to my requirement the string will start from 4th index. It means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4th. So after 4th it will start and check the G. In this case we have already missed the 2a, right? Let me check. It returns 7th index. You can check here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to skip 4 because the string will be starting from the 5th. After check we will, after that, after 4th we will check the index value 5th, 6th and 7th. So on the 7th index we will get the value of a, right? So after 7 we will find the A. Sorry, on the 7th index we will find the A character, but we need to skip the 4th because we need to start the string from the after 4th of index, means 5th. But we did not start after. Suppose we need to start the string from the 4th index, 0 1 2 3 4, then again we will start from the 0 index. No, the index number we need to start from the 0 index, then the counting will be, index number will be same, but we need to skip till 4. Correct? So basically we can say this is useful. Suppose we need to we are looking the multiple occurrence of a character. So at in this case we can use this index of char or from index. The next is a string index of string from index, right? So what does it means? We need, here in this case we pass the char value character here in this character, here in this character, right? But here I'm putting the string, means we need to pass the string here. Okay, so okay, before string we can check without from index. Okay, same as the char. Correct? So in this case we need to pass the string value here, and after string value I'm looking the substring. This is the string. So string value we need to pass, and inside in the string whatever string we have, this is the string, right? And here we will pass the substring. So this index of method finds the first character index where the substring start, because here we are finding the char value, right? But here we are passing the string, then what number we will get where the string start, where the string start, at that index value we will get the same. If string is not available in our string, that we will get the -1. Okay, we will check. We will check in our program. It's working on our index of string, right? This one. We need to pass here the string, some string. Suppose if I break this Analyst and Adda, if I pass substring here, add, okay, I'm passing here add, then it will check, then starting from this substring where, then the whatever where suppose the starting substring is start, then we will get the output. Okay, so you can see here we will get the output of 8th index. We will check is it correct or not. 0 1 sorry 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 9. You can see here ad, this is the substring. So ad, here is the an, right? But here is ad. I pass here the substring ad. So ad, we can see here the in this string. So this add Adda is start from whatever index, then we will get that particular value. We don't need to check the whole number. Ad, you can you might be, you can suppose we will get the 2 index number 8 or 9. No, we will get the starting of the string starting index number. Okay, the same as suppose we need to ignore the value, ignore the index, some index we need to ignore, same as the cal, right? The same as the we need to skip some strings, right? From where the string will be start, this is the from index, from where we need to start the string, and this is the string, which string we need to find. Index of string, index of, right? We need to pass here. Suppose I'm just passing here Adda, analyst Adda. This is my string, right? And here need to pass the string value. So if I pass the this, and here we need to pass the index number, and I'm passing the 3. So after 3 it will check this string is available, this is the substring, this string is available or not, right? So that particular, if that substring is available, then that particular starting point, that starting index number we will get. Check the output. Here the output is 13, correct? So we need to skip 3, that string we need to pass from which index number, we need to skip that 8, 0, 1, 2 and 3, right? So we are skipping 3, that our string value start from after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. On the 13 we will check the Adda is started, right? Whole. So here we pass the substring. I hope you are enjoying this session. So this is a basic thing, and we can check also, this is the most important strings, right? We use the char from index, string and string index, and you can also check the others. If I check here that dot index, right? We have already discussed the character string, starting character, index form. Here we need to pass the beginning index and the end index also. In the string also, here we need to pass the beginning index and the end index number also, from which index number we need to start and from the which index number we need to end, correct? So this is the all of the, you can check also in the, these of the two I'm just remaining for your homework, and you just check in this in the program, and screenshot of that particular program and share with me. Okay, so I hope you understood the index of rule. Okay, index of method, how to use index of method in string, and the same as the last index. Okay, so we check here last index of. last index of. So what is last index of? What is the use of last index of? So in index of, we find out the value in from the starting, right, from the left hand side. But in the last index of, we will get the output from the ending point, from the right hand side, from the last occurrence of the character or substring in the string. So same as if character or substring is not found, it returns -1. It's same as the index of, correct? And the same scenario we can check here. The index last index of char. Here you can check, suppose I'm just putting last. You can see a last index of char. Same as index of, but we will get the output from the ending, from the last occurrence, index of the last occurrence. It returns the index of the last occurrence of the character or substring in the string. Whatever we have string, we will count the value from 0, but it will returns the from the end index, from the last, from the right side. We can check the index of gives the result from the left hand side and from the starting of the string, and the last index of gives the result of the ending of the strings, but it will count from the starting, but it will gives the result from the ending. Okay, so if I pass here character a, same, we have already checked in the index of, right? So we will, according to index of, we will get the output of 0, but according to last index of, we have putting here the last index of, we will get the output from index value from this a, not this a. Okay, check 16th, we will get the output of 16th, not 0, because it gives the result from the end index of, it will count the end index of, right, and end of the string. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So on the 16th, he find the value of last index of a. Same as if we check the index of char, and we need to put the index number here, from which index number we need to start. This one, correct? We need to pass here the character value a. No, suppose the d. Here we are skipping only 2. Okay, here or 1, suppose the 1. Here we have start the we need to start the index from 1 index. We need to skip the 0, right? We need to start the string from first of the index, and we need to find the value of d. We need to find the index number of d, right? So we have already skipped 1, 0 and 1. After 1, we will check the t. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and the 14, and the 14th of number d, we will get the 14th and 15th. We are skipping but it will return the value from last index, right? Correct. So we will not get the value 0 1, not we will not get the value index number of this d and this d. We will get the index number of this d, right? So we will check what output we are occurring. 1, right? So here you can check here the we have already sorry, we have already skipped some of the values, right? We need to skip the 1, or suppose if we skip these 0 1 2, we need to start from 2, right? Something is missing here, right? Correct. So after 2 we will check the index of that particular value. I think something we are missing here. We have skipped this one, right? 0 1 from the end. Right, from the search index we have already 1 and the 0 1. So we have skipped the 1 0 1. Okay, so we have already we need to find in this string only 0 and 1. So on the one first of the index we will get the d, and if we increase this number, suppose the 8th, we need to find the d from the 8th index till 8th index, right? So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, we are not getting 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Suppose if I increase this number 4 14, or suppose the 15th, then so we will start from starting and the till 15th we can find the t, right? So this is the correct value, because we passing the only one index number, so from 0 and 1. So on the two index from a to d, from a to d we need to find the d. So on the first number, first index number, we are getting the output of 1. Okay, then you can see here 15, because we need to check the last index. First we will check the d. Here is the two cases. We have already strict this string till 15th we cannot search. After 15th we cannot search d. So, and last index, or we need to check the value from the last index, not from the starting. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So from a to last d we can find the d. So from the start last point, last d, last index number of d, we will get the 15. If we pass the 14, then we will get the 14. If we skip this 10, suppose 10, then we will get this d number, this d index number 0 1 2. So in this case we will get the 2 output. You can see here 2 output. Okay, so I think, I hope you understood the things. the index of the last index of how to use this in our programming language. Mostly in the search cases, we use the index of or last index of in both आपको इससे रिलेटेड अगर और भी कोई प्रॉब्लम्स है या फिर आप कुछ और समझना चाहते हैं, आपको कोई क्वेरी है, आपको कुछ पूछना है, तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। आज के लिए इतना ही, और आशा करती हूँ कि आपको समझ आ गया हो। अगर फिर भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं। थैंक यू आज के लिए।